of the newest neighborhoods in Rancho Mission Viejo offers single-family homes, modern floor plans, and access to one of Southern California's most amenity-rich master plan communities. Today, we are taking a closer look at Indigo by Lennar, a new neighborhood in the Village of Rienda that's attracting buyers looking for a brand new home in southern Orange County. Hi, I'm Armin, and on this channel I go over new construction communities, real estate developments, and what's happening across Orange County. If you're thinking about buying a brand new home or simply enjoy seeing how these communities are being built, consider subscribing. Now let's head over to Indigo. Indigo is located inside the Village of Rienda, the newest village within Rancho Mission Viejo. Unlike many master plan communities where amenities are added over time, Rancho Mission Viejo was designed around neighborhoods connected by parks, trails, recreation, and community gathering spaces. Residents here are only minutes from San Juan Capistrano, Dana Point, and many South Orange County beaches. Indigo features detached two-story single-family homes built by Lennar. The community offers 3 floor plans ranging from just over 2,000 square feet to about 2,400 square feet. Depending on the plan, buyers can choose from 3 to 4 bedrooms and up to 3 bathrooms. One feature I like is that these homes aren't oversized. Instead, they are designed with practical layouts and that maximize everyday living. Many include spacious great rooms that connect directly to the kitchen, flexible loft spaces, perfect for a home office or playroom, and covered California rooms that expand your outdoor living space. Buying at Indigo isn't just about the house. You're also buying into everything Rancho Mission Viejo has built over the past decade. Residents have access to multiple resort-style pools, fitness centers, clubhouses, sports courts, playgrounds, dog parks, miles of hiking and biking trails, and a year-round calendar of community events. It is one of the reasons Rancho Mission Viejo has become one of the Orange County's most sought after master plan communities. I think Indigo will appeal to buyers who want a detached home without moving into a much larger or more expensive luxury property. It is also a great fit for families who want newer construction and access to exceptional community amenities. Because these homes are located in one of the final phases of Rienda, buyers are also purchasing in a neighborhood that's nearing completion rather than one of those that may still have years of construction ahead. If you're considering a move to South Orange County, Indigo is definitely a community worth exploring. Modern homes, great amenities, and the Rancho Mission Viejo lifestyle all come together here. On the other hand, if quick access to major freeways is a top priority for you, it is worth knowing that Rancho Mission Viejo isn't right next to the Interstate 5 or major freeways, so you will have a bit of a drive before reaching them. However, you are conveniently close to the toll road 241, which provides a fast and efficient route to many parts of Orange County. The trade-off is the lifestyle. Instead of living in one of Orange County's more congested cities, you will enjoy a true ranch-style community with miles of open space, extensive amenities, and a much more relaxed atmosphere. One thing I notice every time I visit Rancho Mission Viejo is the refreshing breeze that seems to be a constant part of living here, making the community feel even more comfortable and connected to nature. If you would like to know more about Rancho Mission Viejo in general, you can click on the link here to watch my other videos. As always, home prices, availability, incentives, and features can change, so it's a good idea to verify the latest information before making any decisions. If you'd like me to compare Indigo with other new home communities in Rancho Mission Viejo or elsewhere in Orange County, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.